Hey there. I think to give you a better briefing for my gig I was asking to you, it might be helpful to give you a brief overview while recording this video here. Um, so basically this is our Excel file we're using to create our performance reports. These performance reports are related to the marketing results for product selling on Amazon. So the main focus is really on this report on that table, this sheet, which show then how much spends we have on the ads, how much was the generated revenue, how many impressions, the ACoS, how many clicks we generated, and the cost per click. And the rest is just visualizing this in these charts. And that's basically it. Usually when we finish the report, we use the export to a PDF, which looks then like this one here. So just that you also have in mind, if you make any changes in the formatting, keep an eye on that. That is also still look pretty on the PDF export. Okay. As you can see here below, we have 3 sheets. The first one is a report, which we see right now. Next one is then where we create the macros, and there we have usually 2 steps. First is to read the imported data. We do this then for each single week, and then for the after we created the imported data, which is then this part here. So we have do the right formatting. Then we bring it into the report page. It's a bit complicated to make 2 steps. I'm also fine to do everything with 1 click. If you can do that, that's no problem. And then we see here on this table basically a monthly report. So as you see, this example is for the whole month of January, and then we break it down on these columns on a weekly base. So here's a week, 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 and the last one is in a half week or whatever the rest of the months give. And the last column is to sum up the whole month. And here in the last tab, we see the data that we import from Amazon. And this is basically the root of all data you're collecting. And as you can see, so far, what we did is always have here, each column shows one ad campaign, and one ad campaign is always the full time, usually here for each week. This here is the last week, so it's just 3 days, but usually it's the duration from the whole week. And then we need to do the step 4 or 5 times to complete the full month. That means all data here is also already sum up the full range of this period of time. We would like to change this as following. It would look like this, the imported data. And then we have each ad campaign per day. And then we can choose a full range we want to import. So usually we use 1 full month. So here in this example, it's January. And as you can see, every month have a column. It can also have not column, have 1 row. Every day can have several rows because it's per day per campaign, ad campaign. So if we have 10 ad campaigns, then we have for January 1st, we have 10 different columns. And then you need to do the math to calculate this. What does it mean for 1 week? Because as shown here, we want to have the report per week, no? And then for the full month. Okay, so it's super important to change it in that way. And the second change is also that we have now different ads we want to import. There are different types. We have here product ads, display ads, brand ads, and video ads. All of them look pretty similar. The only difference might be some small changes in the column name and maybe some different order or something like that. But the rest is pretty the same. Okay, I hope this overview was helpful for you, and looking forward for your feedback, and send me your service fee for that. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.